Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. We're clear to close on a loan, Port St. Lucie, Florida, well and septic on an FHA loan. Why is that important? The seller was not cooperating as far as helping us find the location of the well, because you have to have the distance between the well and the septic to be able to make sure they're far enough apart. If they're not far enough apart, then you have to get a water test. Well, guess what? Finally, after weeks, the surveyor was able to get out there and get it done and get us the distance, and it was too close. So we had to get that water test done. The realtor went, she took the water test herself, drove it down 2 counties to Broward County. It's a 2-hour drive to get that water test. She drove it down Monday. Today is Wednesday. We got it in at 4:30 p.m. We got it clear to close at 5:30 p.m. We're closing tomorrow. The seller was yelling and screaming at me, at the realtor, at the title agent, saying they were not going to extend. Oh, he's a big time investor and never had these issues. Yeah, well, he didn't cooperate for weeks, and therefore we're in this situation. Good luck trying to get AI to do the same thing that me and the realtor did to move mountains to make this thing work. Shout out to Elaine McVean in Port St. Lucie, great realtor, going above and beyond for her client. So for those that say AI is going to take over the mortgage and real estate industry, AI won't be able to do everything we did to get this loan closed. Mortgage Nerd out.